Yo, what's up, people? Welcome back to another video. Dude, today's gonna be a lit video because right now I got an orange 720S guy from the car meet. I hit him up. Dude, he invited me to this meet. So look, there's already the blue McLaren fudge. And that guy owns, I think, that guy's the owner of some wheel company. I don't know exactly what, but fudge. Dude, my car is beat up. I literally forgot to clean it because I just got new tires. Oh my freaking goodness, bro. You already know, bro, but I'm cruising with the big dogs. Let's freaking go. I'm hyped, dude. So, dude, connects. I'm having a good time, dude. These guys are dope. I mean, I'm just happy that I'm able to come through, you know what I mean? Like, dude, I'm just so happy right now. I'm so hyped. The orange dude, I don't know why he even invited me in the first place, but hey, I'm cool with it. The homie Redeye, we're filling up right now. Bro, the homie's Redeye looking beast. But dude, look at the McLaren. Oh my freaking goodness, 720S, bro. This is the dream right here. And they invited me to come hang, bro. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. Bro, the 720Ss came through. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna park across them. Bro, you know, we got the kind of poser set up here, but my car's all dusted up because I literally just got it from the tire shop. But bro, McLaren, oh my gosh. This is beautiful. And Aston Martin. Oh my gosh. Like I told you guys before, these rims are nasty. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to cruise with these guys on the freeway. Dude, the sickest part about everything here is the twin freaking turbo. Twin turbo. You can see the freaking turbos. Oh my, that is amazing, bro. This is gonna be sheepy all fudge. That's it, it's done for. Dude, oh my gosh. This is beautiful, dude. Freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, bro. This is the dream. I can't believe I'm actually hanging out with these guys. It's freaking crazy. Holy. Holy. Dude, you already know we hopping on the freeway. Let's go. Dude, I need to catch up to the twin turbo Lambo. That's gonna be content. Dude, that's gonna be fire. They're gonna smoke me, which kind of sucks. I can't even have like a legit race because I'm just gonna get smoked all the way, but whatever. Somewhat traffic. Dude, they're cutting up right now. Oh my gosh. These guys are freaking wild. GT3 RS, Lambo coming in. Bro, I'm bummed because the guy with the 23 Lamborghini, he literally got stopped by the cops on the way here. But bro, setup is sad, dude. Oh my. Bro, the freaking Mercedes, I love that. That's the vibe. Oh my gosh, Aston Martin. Yo, SEO fudge. That is beautiful, bro. McLaren. Wait, Trackhawk. Better be a Trackhawk. I don't know if I can tell. Bro, the lineup. Beautiful lineup. Bro, I missed them all on the freeway, which I'm pissed off about, but we're gonna go back on. I'm making sure I'm keeping up with these guys just for the video, but bro, look at the setup, bro. The freaking McLarens for days. Lambos for days. It's freaking more McLarens than like every single brand here. Dude, this is like, I'm just happy to be rolling with these guys, bro. It's a dream. Bro, this doesn't compete with the last meet I was at. Oh my. Freaking, last time I was a Beamer meet, now this is like a whole McLaren meet, bro. Look at the back of these. Look at the freaking back of these, bro. Oh my gosh. There's an ST over here I'm trying to check out. It looks so dope. Look at that, bro. Sheesh, bro. There's another 2023 Lambo. Freaking SV. Bro, you already know. It's the vibe. Bro, this is why you guys just talk to whoever you meet, bro. Like, this is the move right here. Screw the other car mates. I was like, this is the move, bro. Soon, hopefully I can get, you know, I need to take it one step at a time. So hopefully next is like a foreign. Then after a foreign, I'm gonna try to get a supercar. But first, we gotta make a ton of money. So until then, just gotta invest in what I can invest, and then just keep going until who knows what happens. You know what I mean? Gotta reach the stars, baby. Let's go. Dude, I need to hop on a freeway with these guys. I can't wait, bro. This McLaren sounds so nasty. I didn't get to record it because he just came from the gas station. But bro, this is the dream.
We'll see when he gets out. We're gonna see from here.
Oh my gosh, that exhaust. Oh, bro, he barely needs to push it to freaking hear the exhaust. It's nasty, bro. Bro, look at the freaking intake. Freaking massive ass intakes. And then we got somebody with a freaking track on. Beautiful, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. And then there's my car. Oh, it better be actually a track on. Why is it a HELLCAT badge? You need to put a chicken on that. The homie's leaving, so I'm gonna try to catch him launching off. Bro, look at this, bro. Oh my gosh. Come on, please, bro. Do it for the one time.
Let's go, Shelly, bud.
Yes, sir. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I got in a good spot with all this, like a McLaren, Lamborghini all in front. We're all waiting for the homies. So we're gonna see, we're gonna actually get some footage. There's a homie that invited me, bro. Let's go. 720S. Bro, can this M4, bro, this setup is nasty, bro. SVJ, that's nasty. Where are we going though? I don't know where we're going. I'm gonna try to catch up with all the Lambos. All of us getting on this freeway, we are. Fudge, bro. What the fudge is going on? Everyone's speeding, bro. It's like, it's not even just the guys with the nice cars, like it's everyone. There's too much going on, bro. But I need to catch up with the freaking exotic cars. That's all I care about right now. I didn't record it, but you should see what's freaking happening right now. People are speeding so bad right now, like they're cutting up like crazy. Like normal cars, like so strange to me. People gotta chill, bro. People gotta chill. I'm just trying to catch up with my homies. Bro, what the fuck is happening? Did someone crash? Do this with the one hand right now. Oh, I thought that was my car. Bro, I've never heard so many pops in my entire life. I literally thought that was my car for a second. I'm trying to hold my phone close up like this because my shoulder's freaking... Bro, this is dope. I'm the only muscle car, but this is still dope. I literally thought it was my car, like some kind of fender was bouncing, but thank God it's not. And to make sure all my freaking tires are good. What the heck is that noise? Dude, what? How much faster are we going? Oh, fudge. And everyone's speeding right now. So much noise. I don't even know where we're freaking going, but I'm just following the wave. YOLO, bro, whatever, full send. What's happening now? We just all brake checked for some reason. What the fuck is happening? A whole bunch of braking going on, a whole bunch of brake checking. Like, what is happening right now? Look, there's 3 Mclarens, bro. 3 freaking Mclarens. That's the vibe, bro. What is happening? Why is everyone cutting up right now? What the fudge? Dude, everyone's cut. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to catch up with the McLaren so I can make this video HELLCAT Redeye versus 3 720S's, you know what I mean? But they're all the way up there now. Fudge. Oh, fudge. Oh my gosh, my ears freaking hurt, bro. That BMW is nasty. Oh my gosh, what is happening right now? Yo, SVJ next to me. Oh, hop on, you gotta hop on this freeway. Fudge. Hop on. Yo, that's sketch. On an SVJ, I'd be so freaking scared to do that because all the junk on there. I'd like to know where we're freaking going. Dude, now we're in downtown LA, so we're gonna see what happens, bro. I know that leaving is gonna be horrible. There's literally gonna be no freaking room at all. I did see a cop coming up here. There's an Aventador, which is dope. So I did see a cop come up here, so we're gonna see. But leaving here is gonna be horrible, and but at least it's in downtown, so hopefully it's a good view. Bro, I'm behind. This sounds amazing. Bro, this matte black HELLCAT is aggressive. HELLCAT, let's go. This spot got busted, so we're going somewhere else. In downtown LA, bro. I never freaking come here, dude. I'm so happy I pushed myself to like connect to people. Like, I don't want anything from these guys, bro. I just want to vibe, you know what I mean? Like, my car's, it's not slow, you know what I mean? Like, it's decent. Basically, I'm just gonna cut out all the dead parts where nothing's happening. I never thought I'd have a crew like this, I'm gonna be honest. Oh my gosh, you hear that turbo sound amazing. Oh my gosh, oh yeah, that's the, wait no, is that the second highest? I can't tell if that's the second highest or not. Yes sir! Oh my gosh. I'm so blessed to meet these guys, bro. So humble. Wait, what the fudge? There's a hole. Is that Audi R8? I can't tell. I literally cannot. No, that's definitely Audi R8, bro. That's an R8. Bro, the vibes. The vibes. Pretty much every spot's getting busted, but hey, I'm still vibing. Oh, snap. Cam's Corvette. That's lit. Bro, this traffic is nasty, bro. We're literally all trying to get to parking lot. Dude, we're literally in downtown, then in Beverly Hills, which is like even worse. Actually, it's the same thing. It's literally downtown. It's like so packed and compact, bro. I don't know how we're gonna do it. It's compact and packed. Like, it's freaking wild. Bro, this traffic is nasty, dude. What the fudge? We're all going to the structure? Fudge, man. That's wild. Yo, you already know who it is. It's Josh Warren, bro. What the fudge? Bro, this parking garage is literally gonna be so freaking horrible. But my phone can't do this low light. Fudge. This parking garage is gonna be brutal, dude. Oh my gosh, we're not gonna be able to get out. We're literally not gonna be able to get out. I gotta go find like better parking somewhere, bro. Oh, if he's going, we're going, bro. Let's go. Honestly, I don't know. I'll probably pronounce his name, last name wrong, but I don't remember it too much because I don't like know too much about it. But definitely know his name's first name is Jaws. Yes, sir. Vibes, bro. What the fudge? Something was popping like a mofo, dude. Tokyo drift vibes, bro. Bro, we have a whole freaking helicopter here. 10 freaking twin turbo Lambos just gassing it, freaking revving it right now. Bro, we got freaking cops here. Bro, but I just noticed the 720S. Massive 720S, bro. Bro, this is literally like some freaking Tokyo drift vibes, bro. Literally cops up in here. There's way too many freaking cars in one parking structure. But beautiful freaking cars, bro. Same SVJ as before. Bro. Bro, there's so many freaking people here. What the fudge? We won't be able to dip. Damn, what the fudge? Bro, so many unique Lambos here. It's crazy. Bro, full carbon fiber engines. What the fudge? That's insane, yo. That's crazy. Bro, look at that. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna dip out. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, SVJ in front of me, bro. Let's go. I'm so hyped I was able to actually ride with these guys. You know what I mean? It's not just like, oh, I see them. Like, I actually rode with them. It's the vibe. Bro, Carrera GT, that's crazy, bro. That Lambo, Josh's Lambo. Josh is just vibing. The craziest thing is, bro, people record my car also, which is like, my car's hella mid, bro. Might get a low angle of my car, bro. You gotta get a low angle of mine as well. Bro, we got Mclarens. Yeah, get my car, my boy, get my car. Bro, there's so many cops. I call my homie, there's so many cops out here, so I'm kind